is the end. Now the angels come to take our souls away. You said the angels come to take our souls away. Yeah, how the angels come for you and me. You seem so truthful, believed all your words, but they were only lies that we heard. You knew about it, all about this rain. You made us think this was just a game, just a game. Holding my hands, pray for God, it's the end.